Every day, the demands of your business grow. From operational concerns to meeting the latest market trends, you need a manufacturing solution that delivers greater speed to market with less risks. You need FlexChassis from JR Automation. FlexChassis is a proven system built around standardized, pre-designed modules that can be designed to meet a wide range of manufacturing objectives. Whether your needs are for medical devices, consumer goods, electronics, or more, FlexChassis has the configurability you need. Create pilot lines to test out your latest concepts. Build seamless production systems on its backbone, compatible with multiple prime movers, and armed with a growing catalog of pre-designed assembly and process stations. FlexChassis truly is the backbone to scaling your operations quickly. The key to FlexChassis lies in its modules. Pre-designed with standardized components, they allow you to cut down on concepting, design, and build times while saving costs. FlexChassis also delivers full digital control and process monitoring, combined with linear motors for speed, accuracy, and operational flexibility. FlexChassis maintains a very high OEE. FlexChassis is built around two key elements, the center module and the end module that can be configured to match the scale of your needs. With a standardized construction, your system can be easily configured and reconfigured as your needs expand. When it comes to process stations, your choices grow exponentially. Choose from our wide range of possibilities or work with us to develop the custom solution you need. For clean manufacturing needs, FlexChassis meets various ISO classes, offers optional HEPA filtration, and can be built with stainless steel construction for wash or wipe down. From UL, NCE to FDA and GAMP5, the FlexChassis design can be tailored to match the requirements of your production. Best of all, FlexChassis is fully supported by JR Automation, with facilities worldwide and a team of over 2,000 skilled professionals. You can be sure that FlexChassis will be fully supported throughout its life. JR Automation offers end-to-end services, from digital solutions to advanced application to lifecycle management that keep your operations running and evolving. FlexChassis is the foundation you need to scale your automation needs. To learn more about FlexChassis and what JR Automation can do to grow your business, visit www.jrautomation.com.